Hello, art friends. This is Painter Doug L.A, and I'm here at the world famous Brewery ArtWalk. But I'm not just walking around, I actually have some art to sell. So come join us. This complex once brewed Pabst Blue Ribbon beer. Now we've entered the Jesus Wall Gallery, where a few of my art friends are selling some work. Had to tone down the volume because of copyright music.
Slow pan into
Now you know why it's called the Jesus Wall Gallery. Selfie time. Oh. I still think this is the world's largest artist colony. So, there's a lot to see around here. So I'm just scratching the surface. This is a bi-yearly event. So next spring, come on down, check out some art, and maybe you can find your catch of the day. Adios, amigos.